Hey guys, so I'm gonna do this quickly. It's a quick haul from Take Root. Check my channel if you haven't seen that little shop. Here I have limey pixie peperomia, and it's sitting inside this cute little turtle pot. Cost me $16 for the pot, $5.99 for that seedling. There's $12.99 for this white star. And here, the star of the show, I've been wanting one of these beautiful pink hybrid Aglaonemas, and I finally got one. So look how the leaves started out, and look at what the current leaves look like. Gorgeous. Okay guys, just my little baby mini haul. Isn't this adorable? Okay, thanks for watching.